I told you that I'd be right back. I'm so happy to see you again, and you're about to learn even more about the human body with our experiment, my absolute favorite part of class. First, I want to remind you what you'll need for this experiment. One piece of bread or a cracker, maybe two or three crackers, whatever you have in your house that would be easy to rip or break. Okay? Something else you're going to need is a bag. Hopefully, that bag will have a zip closure on it because we're going to put water in the bag. So far, you need bread, a bag, and water. Once you have all that, you're also going to need a pair of scissors and a dish. You could use a bowl or a cup so you can see what is going to come out of your stomach. Whoa, that sounds interesting, doesn't it? Well, let's get on to the experiment. So, I have my bread, a bag, and some water. What are we going to do with this? Let's find out, okay? Remember, we're talking about the digestive system, and I'm about to show you how your body breaks down food, okay? Remember, what's the first step? When the food is in front of us, what's the first thing we do with it? Yes, we put it in our mouth. And if I put this bread in my mouth and stuck it on my tongue, it would start getting soggy even if I didn't chew it. Because that wet stuff in our mouth, the spit, or it can also be called saliva, that stuff, it helps break down your food even before your teeth do. Now, I'm going to pretend to chew this bread. My fingers will be my teeth, and I'm going to chew it and put it into this bag. Okay? Ooh, I'm chewing it up into these little teeny tiny pieces, and then we'll put it into the bag. If you'd like, you can do this along with me. You can try it after watching the video, or you can watch the video without even doing it. And I know you'll still get a great learning experience. There's my bread all broken up, and now I'm going to put it into my bag. There we go. I wonder if we need to break it up anymore. Let's squish it. It's in our mouth. We're moving it around with our tongue, and we're chewing that bread. Yes, great job. See how broken up it is now? Oh, but we need to break it up even more. It can fit down our throat and go down our esophagus now. Yes, but it needs to hit the stomach. And in our stomach, we have lots and lots of juice to help break down that food even more. Let's see now. This will be our stomach juice. Oh, even better. I have some purple stomach juice. Let's try it with the purple, okay? You guys are so lucky. I never did it with the purple juice before. Oh, here we go. Let's use it all. Do you want to use all the juice? Okay, let's use it all. There we go. Ooh, that's like the food sitting in our stomach covered in juice. And it's going to sit there for 3 to 4 hours. That's like watching 2, sometimes 3 movies. That's quite a long time your food is sitting there, but as it sits there, you can see it would get soggier and soggier. If you want, you could put your bag down in a safe place so it doesn't spill and see how soggy it gets in a little while. Or you can do it just like I am. We're going to break down that food more and more. And our stomach does make this food move around a bit too. It doesn't always just sit still, but most of the time it's sitting there. Oh, wow. Now our stomach broke it down. There's lots of goodness in here. And now it's going to travel to the intestines so we can know what parts of this food our body will use and what parts it won't use. Yes, here we go. I'm going to now cut a hole in the corner of the bag, okay? Watch this. Make sure that you have a grown-up helping. So there's a cut in the corner of the bag. And then we have our dish right here. Let's see how much of this is going to be goodness today and how much of it will be waste. Ooh. You can pour out whatever fits through that hole, okay? Whatever's going to fit through the hole. Wow. So this is what I got through mine. The small intestine decided that this is the goodness our body needs to give us energy. And this is the waste that our body isn't going to use. So I'm going to put it in here. What do you think this is? It's not a bowl. We'll pretend it's the potty. There we go. The waste went in the toilet. Now, everyone, thank you for coming and learning a little bit more about how your body works. I hope that you have lots of questions because I have even more answers and I love teaching you. Please, please, please send me any of your questions at all. Okay, goodbye.